In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with any kind of repair and maintenance expenses in QuickBooks. As you can see here, on 6th of January, it says paint and renovation expenses of shop taken on rent. Let's say that owner has already given you the shop, but since you want to customize the shop according to certain brand colors and you want to paint and renovate the shop according to your taste. So these are some of the expenses that you incurred. So let's see how we can book this. From the dashboard, just click on this plus sign at the top. And from here, just choose the expenses. Just click on the expenses here. So basically it's your choice to either use the journal entry for it or use the expense option. You can access the expense from here as well. Or otherwise, you can just click on this expenses section right here and click on expense transactions. It will take you to the specific section and then you click on new transaction. Click on expense. And from here, it's asking you, who did you pay? Let's say that this is not our regular vendor, so I don't want to book a pay. And in QuickBooks Online, you have this choice to leave the pay as it is and still be able to enter the transaction. So from the payment account, I'll just choose cash in hand. The payment date is 6th of January. Payment method, it's not mentioned here how these expenses are made, but I am just supposing that all the paint and renovation are usually made on cash. So I'll just choose cash here. Reference number, you can put any reference number. You can add some tags. And then we will just simply write repair and maintenance. And we have this account already, repairs and maintenance. I'll just put it here. In the description, I'll just copy and paste this expense right here. And total amount is 1500. You can mention any kind of memo if you want. And after that, you can save this. So let's try to save and close. And this is how you can book the expenses via expense option in QuickBooks Online. Now, when it comes to journal entry, it's very simple. Just click on the plus sign at the corner and click on journal entry. And here we simply enter the repair and maintenance expense as debit. Cash in hand is credit. We put the description and all good. So it's your choice, whatever you want to use for this. Just try this by yourself and I'll see you in the next one.